Well, hello, Steve.
Hey, Kevin, how are you? I hope you've had a chance to recharge after what looked like a really busy IBC show.
Just about. It was a hectic few days in Amsterdam. But now comes the fun part, following up on all those customer conversations from the show.
So, what was the general feel of IBC this year? Is it better than last year? What's going on?
So this year felt less about, wow, look at the shiny new kit, and more about consolidation and pragmatism. There's definitely a sense of urgency out there. Rising costs, licensing pressures, platform fatigue, audience fragmentation, and new competition, not just from other broadcasters, but from gaming, social, and immersive platforms. Broadcasters are looking for tools that are interoperable, standards based, modular, and easy to deploy, whether that's in the studio, remote, or in the field. We also saw a focus on IP adoption, hybrid workflows, cloud deployment, observability and monitoring, and AI. Not just for show, but to cut errors, automate repetitive jobs, and speed up production.
Well, Kevin, that looks really interesting. And what announcements did Leader have this year to help our customers on this new journey?
So IBC Leader introduced the integration of the Fabrics QXL and QXP into the IP Jackfield ecosystem. So IP Jackfield has been jointly developed by Arista Networks and Providius, and it takes the tried and tested troubleshooting methods engineers have used with analog and SDI video and brings them into the world of IP.
That really sounds neat. I know a lot of people will be really happy to be able to get something that kind of goes back sort of old school. And it really sounds like a game changer, especially for broadcast engineers who felt kind of on the sidelines as IP has taken hold a little bit. So, what can people find out more? How can we find out more about this?
Well, we'll be running a live webinar on Wednesday, the 1st of October, where we'll be joined by Ryan Morris from Arista and Tony Zare from Providius, where we'll be showing engineers how they can reclaim ownership of their IP facilities with IP Jackfield. It starts at 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 noon Eastern, 1700 British Summer Time, and 1800 Central. And you can register by scanning the QR code on the screen now.
And like normal, if you can't watch the event live, we will have a recording that will be posted to the Leader YouTube sites.
Exactly. And if you're not already subscribed, scan the QR code now that's on the screen, where you'll find lots of interesting videos of Leader and Fabrics products in action, helping engineers keep facilities running smoothly and content flowing.
Sweet. I'm looking forward to this session. It's going to be fun. It's going to be nice to get back to what you and I are used to doing in troubleshooting.
Likewise, Steve. So I look forward to seeing you on the 1st.
You got it, Kevin.